we cut the cucumber, use it to do some decoration. First, we cut the cucumber to half. Now this half we do like this. We cut it this part off. We cut it like this. Try to cut as thin as possible. Here's cut it through. This part is still connected. 2, 3, then cut it through. Cut this part through. So then we can make it, put this, and fold it like this, and this, fold it like this, and then we make maybe we can make this up, fold it like this. So it'll be a flower. So we put it in the plate for decoration, make a flower. This one we do cut it as thin as possible. Here, remember here's cut through, but then here still have some connected. Here I still have connected, and do again. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. Cut through it, cut off. Then we just fold it. Fold it like this. Then fold it like this. Go through it, and go through it, and go through it, and go through it. Put this here. Then we have a flower. And put this flower and two plates like this. So like this. So we have a flower. So to decorate our plate. We also can cut it this part, make it flat. Then we cut it as thin as possible. Cut 1. Cut 2. Now we do the decoration. Put this here and like this. Okay, so the decoration is done. This plate decoration is done.